Hello, traders. Want to go over today's reversal patterns. This is regular trading hours only. We opened here, significant gap to the upside. Whenever we have a gap up or gap down, for that matter, there is a 70% likelihood that it fills to the halfway point. So we opened here. I'm going to get rid of this fib here. You could put a fib on it. We ended up filling it all the way. But that would be our gap fill right there. So 70% chance that it goes at least to here. We almost made it there before we ever got a breaker. But so let's just look at this. This is early. This is the only signal I could see in all this. I did not look at it. I did not take it because I was expecting us to continue up. I really, really misread the market today. So we open, we push down, and then we go back up and we take out this green candle right here. So this would be considered our run on liquidity. This giant 40-point candle is our breaker. We had a couple of little fair value gaps, one here, a little one there, and then this one here pushes through it. And then we come back up and double tap the breaker, and adios payal we go. If you were smart enough to see that, that's right at 10, and so it's good to have an entry there. Sell that sucker short right there, then you could have made 300 points on this rundown. Even just aiming for settlement would have got you a nice payday today. Entering there, I didn't even have the breaker marked. I didn't have the gap marked. I had nothing marked. I have no idea what I was thinking this morning. Clearly, I wasn't thinking at all. That's 150 points right there, just like that. And this opening gap thing is something I always look at, but not today. I don't know why. I did not even think about it. All I could see was all-time highs, and my mind was completely oblivious to the possibility that we could trade lower. But once I became convinced that we could trade lower, then I thought, well, this afternoon low from yesterday, that's a 4-hour regular trading hour low, could be our possible target. And I did manage to get a trade here because we had another beautiful reversal signal, random act of reversals. So we come down, we take out this higher time frame, we double tap it, last up close candle before the run on liquidity. We get a fair value gap pushing through. The next one forms above. It is respected. Go long, aim for this high right here, and you get 65 points. I would have gotten long right here. I did get long right here. I was waiting for this to be respected because I got smoked on this one. So I was waiting for this to start pushing back up. I got in somewhere around here, and I aimed for that high, roughly 57 points. Well, let's say 55 points for ease of math. That's $110 on one micro. You can do the math if you did more. But that was it. That was the only trade I was able to take and make profit on today. I did get a qualifying day in the XFA, nothing to write home about, but green is good on a day where you can have completely misread the market. So, did great. A shout out to my buddy Adam. He got 20 of the Apex accounts and got them funded today, in addition to his 5 Topstep accounts. And he's real excited about the future. And I'm excited for him. I think he's going to do great. He started trading all this reversal pattern stuff, and he's just trading lights out. Absolutely doing wonderful. So if you're still struggling, just keep on every day. Look for these reversal patterns. Don't trade anything else. If we get into a bunch of chopped up mess like this, and there's 100 reversal patterns in here, do not take them. Only when it's clean. Only when we've taken something higher time frame. That's the only safe way to take these. This is a 50-point range. You could play the high and low of the range, but if you're trying to play a reversal pattern, you'll be selling short at the bottom of the range and buying at the top of the range. So do not play them in a consolidation like this. This is the only place to get involved and make a profit. This last one, which how would you ever know, might have gotten you some money. If you waited for this one to validate, you would have got filled and we would have made it back to settlement. But you wouldn't know that. After we've been in a consolidation for 2.5 hours, how would you know? This, when you start seeing this, lock your computer for the day, go away, go do something else. That was the trade right there. If you didn't catch this one, that was your only other opportunity. This one validated. It was looking good. But then it ripped lower. So remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to one another. I love each and every one of you. Please, if you did well today or this week, leave a comment. Let us know how you're doing. You still struggling? Are you finally getting the hang of this? I mean, let us know. We'd all love to hear from you.